Hello everyone and welcome back to another video by Windows by Joe. Today we are gonna install Windows 8.1 on this Acer Aspire A315 23 series laptop, which is not supported by Windows 8.1 officially at least. As you can see, it has an AMD Ryzen 3250U, so it is not officially supported. Well, now let's get started with the video. First of all, head to dl.poppony.com on Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. And now from here, go to Windows, Unofficial, and get the latest edition of Windows 8.1. I'm gonna get the ENGB, which is the British edition. Now it's time to collect all the drivers required for Windows 8.1. I'm gonna get the display driver, AMD Vega 3 display driver from this website. You can also get Intel integrated graphics driver from this website. But for NVIDIA, you have to head to the official website. There is no unofficial means you can get by. And if you can't find the driver for Windows 8.1, then there is no mean to continue this video. You can leave, but if you have found your driver for display, then continue for the next section for getting the network drivers. To do this, press Windows plus R and type in devmgmt.msc. From here it will open Device Manager, and here expand Network Adapters, and you will see a Wi-Fi driver here. But in my case, it's the Intel R dual band wireless AC3168 Wi-Fi driver. Now what you're gonna do is search up this driver on Google, and you have to search for a little bit to get the Windows 8.1 drivers, which I found. It is not that hard to get, and after you get it, just go and download it. And after downloading the important drivers, you will get something like this. You're gonna have to extract the exe or the zip file to that folder, root folder, containing the INF files. This will be useful later on. And now we will go to the next step, that is creating a new partition for dual booting. To do this, press Windows plus R and type in diskmgmt.msc. This will open up disk management. From here, find the biggest partition you have got on your main drive and shrink it to make a new unallocated space of at least 30 gigabytes, which you can assign a new drive letter to in the following way, and create a new partition for installation. Now again gotta head to Google and download WinAnti Setup from majorgeeks.com. This program will allow us to install Windows 8.1 without any problems, and it is very simple and easy to use also. So without further ado, let me show you how you can install Windows 8.1 on your system using this program. First, you gotta extract the RAR file using 7-zip or WinRAR, and then you go to the folder which you just extracted and run winantisetup.exe. From here, you gotta select the installation file or the ISO file which you had earlier downloaded, the Windows 8.1 ISO file. Now you gotta select the installation drive as the new partition you just created. And now I will choose an edition of Windows 8.1 from the drop down. I would like to use the Windows 8.1 Pro edition, and then you can add drivers using the three dots next to the add drivers option, and here select the drivers folder you just created, drivers for 8.1 in my case, and then click on select folder. After doing that, click on setup and tick these two options right here, and then click on OK, and it will start applying the Windows ISO to the partition, and it will take time depending on the speed of your hard drive. Now that it's done, I have switched to my phone camera. I know it's a bit crappy, but I'm gonna show you the installation process using this phone camera only, as I don't have any better options. I'm gonna restart, and it will take me to the boot menu. Here's the Acer logo, and yes, here is the boot menu. Windows 8.1 will be selected as the default option. If you have followed the steps correctly, just press enter to install. Okay, we can see Windows 8.1 spinning. Let's see if it goes to the getting ready part. Let's see. It should not take this long. What happened? Oh, there it is, I think. I still don't see any text. Well, there we go. Getting devices ready. I think this is the place where the drivers install. Oh, what was that? Where did that text go? Oh, there we go. It's now getting ready. Nice. I think we are gonna get to the desktop now. Oh my god, first thing we get is the unsupported hardware message. Of course, I'm gonna show you how to fix that in a bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install Chromium browser and OBS Studio in order to record the screen, and then I'm gonna show you how to fix this. Okay, now that we are on the screen, let's fix this unsupported hardware problem. What I'm gonna do is search up WUFUC on Google, and I would like the major gigs version, so I will get that. The first link is the one I will click. Okay, now download now. And now I think it's gonna download. Alright, it's downloaded. I don't know what happened with Chromium. Let's ignore that. And now we shall go into the downloads folder and extract the folder, which I have already done before. I have re-downloaded it again just to show, but yes, I have already extracted. Now I will open the one is the extracted one. Okay, after you open the folder, run install Wufuk as an administrator. It is a black screen here. It is the USC prompt, of course. And when you get the command window, you're gonna wanna press Y, and it will install Wufuk and ask you to restart. There, you will also have to press Y. I'm gonna restart and come back and show how well Windows 8.1 works on my computer. I will show how well it is working. As you can see, we have the start screen, the Metro apps, a working settings app, and also mainly and importantly the display driver. It's fully working, as you can see. AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics. Okay, that's it for this video. If you want a part 2 where I daily drive Windows 8.1, then like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.